Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is go over Cornucopia's news. That being said, there is a Twitter announcement going on about Twitter and Base, so I want to dive into that. And if you do get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe, and comment whatever questions you guys have down below. So the moose is loose. Moose is getting a little tan, maybe just sunburnt, but it's the way it goes for a Canadian crypto investor. You know, when you're Canadian playing in the snow, it's tough when the sun comes out. So let's go over CoinMarketCap first. Let's go over Cornucopias, and then we'll head over to the Twitter. Okay, so I want to keep this a pretty basic episode. I've got a lot of work to do this week, so that's not crypto related. So video production work, other business stuff. So right now the market's good, and we are April 11th of 2024. So Bitcoin is at 70,600. Bitcoin's been volatile, as you all know. Bitcoin's been up, down, to the left, to the right, to the bottom. It's been going in directions that we haven't seen before. Kind of looking like that UFO kind of sighting that we've seen. So I don't know if scientists can even predict these trajectories of Bitcoin. Like, where's Bitcoin going next? I don't know. But at the end of the day, I do believe, and I went over this, the halving is in 8 days, right? So with that being said, I think within a couple months, we should be going to new all-time highs at the latest, okay? So that's Bitcoin. In terms of the rest of the market, we got Ethereum doing well. I think Ethereum's going to outpace Bitcoin here. Potential ETF approval, that's what I think. Just a price prediction. Nothing should be taken as financial advice. But when we get into Base, talking about that, you're going to see why as well. So everything else looking pretty normal, nothing too substantial except for TON taking over ADA. So that's going on as well. So let's take a look at Cornucopias. So we're going to put in Copi, if we can spell it. Cornucopias is a metaverse game, right? So built using Unreal Engine 5. They have an in-house team developing the look, the aesthetics in this game is looking good. And we're up 7% on the day, 5% on the week. So is this going to be the moment where Copi starts to break out? I don't know. But again, looking at this market cap, we're pretty low. Do I have a price prediction in this video? I do not. However, I think we're going to do well long term. And we're going to get into some reasons for that. Sitting at roughly 68, 70 mil market cap. We'll see where we're at going forward. We're at 8 cents now. So it's up to you guys what you want to do next with that info. So this is what Copi looks like. I talk about it all the time here on the channel. So if you guys do go to the channel, you can type in Copi or Cornucopias. I've got Copi tokenomics videos. I've got 50x price predictions. Whatever you guys want. And this video is really good. The ultimate crypto game. This video I took a lot of time and I did a complete deep dive into Cornucopias. So you learn what is the game. You learn about a little bit of the tokenomics, and I show you the assets, where to pick them up, how to pick up the tokens, and more. So we do that quite a bit. So let's dive into the website for a touch more. So Copi is a cutting-edge open world MMO set in a world where humans has ascended from Earth's surface and creating a breathtaking new world in the sky. Be immersed in the vast landscape, explore vibrant settlements, and engage in a myriad of activities such as crafting, commerce, etc. So you can see the bubble jets. There, that's a bubble jet. It's one of the racing vehicles, and the land is outstanding. So I've done tons of videos. Check out these on your own time. The graphics look even better in person when you're checking it out. So let's dive into the base news. So this is a post from the Twitter, and if you guys want, you should, if you want to check out more Cornucopia's news, follow Cornucopia's on Twitter. So if you guys go to Twitter, go up here, Cornucopia's game, okay? So very, very important. So we're going to dive into this first, and it says here, this was, what, 2 days ago? Or a day ago, the 9th. So a day and a half ago. Our mission to stay on the cutting edge of technology applies to every area of our work, which is why we've taken steps to expand our product into the fastest growing layer 2 on Ethereum. So Base has been exploding. It's a layer 2 solution. They've got partnerships, and we'll go over it on the website with OP, so Optimism. So this is where you're going to see ZK roll-ups and just basically batching transactions, making Ethereum faster. So leveraging the security, but ultimately having a better solution than what Ethereum has, because it's expensive, right? Transaction speeds are not very swift on Ethereum. So we talk about that quite a bit. So with these new solutions, with better technology in these partnerships, Base, I think, will explode in that regard. So if we take a look, this chart, I really like this image. So layer 2 adoption, as you can see, in 11 days, okay, you can see that Base has been doing well. So since day 1, Base has been growing at a record-breaking pace with more than 1 million unique addresses. So the first 11 days ultimately has been really good. You can see Arbitrum, Optimism, and this is with their user count here. So that's 2 million daily transactions. So really cool. So according to L2 Beats, that's what you're looking at there. So really cool. And I know I've been talking about it a while, but layer 2 solutions for Ethereum is massive, because I think there's going to be the ETF, and there's just so much being built on Ethereum. And Cornucopia wants to get involved with that. So we'll talk about it a little bit more, introducing Base, Coinbase's layer 2 network. So what is Base? Base is an Ethereum layer 2, so it's an L2, okay, that offers a safe, low-cost, developer-friendly way to build on chain. You're talking about Ethereum, right? So Base is not a new chain, it's an L2. Base is an L2 built on OP stack in collaboration with Optimism. So I already went over that. The Moose did do his research. So we're incubating Base inside of Coinbase, leveraging the last decade of our experience building crypto products. So basically you're looking at secured by Ethereum, because Base is built with the security and scalability. And yeah, so when you're powering with your apps, you have that security element there. So empowered by Coinbase, that's what's really big too. So for those of you that don't know, Coinbase is massive. It's one of the largest online exchanges. So you can pick up Bitcoin, pick up Ethereum and other assets. Moose needs some water. What else do we have here? Big feature, small fees. So it fixes the fees. It offers full EVM compatibility. That's Ethereum. And yeah, you're looking at much faster transactions, okay? So improve scalability, efficiency, increase transaction speeds, reduce gas fees. That's what we're talking about there, massive. So even on their website, I already took a look at this. But again, making Ethereum accessible to everyone. Because right now, in my opinion, I don't think Ethereum is very accessible. $50, $100 for a simple transaction, a mint an NFT, to sign transactions doesn't make sense. So I think it's really cool what we're looking at. So let's get into this recent announcement of Cornucopia's. I guess you can call it coming soon announcement. So where is this guy? There's a ton of info, but I think this is what's vital. And by the way, there's already been a node sale with Base. So Cornucopia is not chain agnostic. It's not just Cardano. It's on multi-chains. It's a multi-chain project. So this is an image, and it says Copi on Base coming soon. So is this Cornucopia's on Coinbase? I don't know, but I don't think so. I believe this is Copi, the token being available on Base for the layer 2, which is great, right? Basically getting cornucopias on Ethereum in a very interesting way. So you can already pick up Copi tokens with Cardano, right? You can hold that, on your NAMI, whatever it may be. So you use Cardano Lovelace as the transaction cost. Then you have your BNB. Then you have your Ethereum smart contract, hence the base contract here. So this is good. And even when you take a look at Coinbase, not Coinbase, but like Base, right? So developed with Coinbase. Again, Base secure, low cost, Ethereum layer 2. What we're looking at here, where's the gaming part I wanted to show you? This is what I want to get into. So the community on Base, massive. There was something I was looking at with the games. Tons of development with games, right? So ecosystem, is that apps or bridge? Yeah, we'll get into that in a different part. But the point being, I think this is going to be massive. If you read some of the text here, some people are positive, some people aren't as positive, but I think this is massive. I think this is a big deal. So the fact that Cornucopia has these partnerships they're working on, maybe one day we'll get on Coinbase. This could be that, but I don't think it is. This is definitely a Copi base thing, right? So the L2, but that's going to bring us closer to getting Copi token on Coinbase. So getting on much larger decentralized exchanges, right? So yeah, not too much else to say there. So I just want to keep it brief. Wanted to go over some of this info with you all. So if you guys want, check out the link tree, pick up a Dega Realms NFT, an Element NFT, pick up a hardware wallet. Let's get loose. Comment down below. We'll see you in the next one.